Welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation. Take a deep breath in at your own rhythm. And now, together, we inhale deeply through the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold and gently exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, inhale deeply through the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold and exhale slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. And begin to notice that you are seated within a sacred space. Surrounded by white mist. A dense, luminous, white mist. All around you. Take a moment simply to feel. Feel how this mist touches your skin. Notice the coolness of its presence. The softness. The movement. This mist is not still. It flows gently around you. Almost as if it were caressing your body. And now, with every breath you take, you begin to notice that this white mist slowly enters your body through your pores. Softly. Naturally. effortlessly. It enters through your feet, your legs, your hands and arms, your torso, your back, your neck, your head, through every part of your being. And little by little, your entire body begins to fill with this luminous white mist. Until your whole inner world is filled with it. So filled that you may even begin to feel a gentle pressure from within. As though this mist is expanding softly inside your body. And now, I will begin a countdown. As I count backwards, the mist within you begins to crystallize. Slowly, gently, naturally. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, everything is crystallizing now. 3, 2, observe the color of the crystal within you. Notice its frequency, its tone, its light. 1, and now, simply feel. This is the original frequency. The crystalline remembrance of your being. A state beyond distortion. Beyond noise. Beyond separation. Remain here for a few moments. Breathing softly. Allowing your body, mind, and spirit to harmonize with this crystalline field. And now, from this crystalline state, we begin to gently return, slowly becoming aware once again of your breath, of your physical body, of the space around you, carrying this crystalline frequency with you, anchored, present, whole. And when you feel ready, gently move your fingers, your toes, and softly open your eyes. Welcome back.